Now let us discuss 114 question. Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to form the pent-2ene is. Among the four options, which gives the 2-bromopentane to give the pent-2ene as a product? This type of questions can be achieved by elimination method. Now let us verify the first one. Beta elimination. Okay. Now let us draw the structure of 2-bromopentane. CH3, CH, bond Br, bond CH2, CH2, CH3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2-bromopentane. Here the first one is beta elimination. Here this position is alpha and adjacent carbon position is beta. By elimination of here hydrogen and bromine, eliminating as HBr to give CH3 bond CH double bond CH bond CH2 bond CH3. Its name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its name is according to IUPAC pent-2ene. Okay, option 1 satisfies. Option 1 gives by beta elimination, it gives 2-bromopentane to pent-2ene. Okay, now let us come to the option 4. Dehydration method. We know that dehydration means removing of water molecule. Now let us see in this reaction, there is no probability to release water molecule. That's why this option is not related according to the given reaction. Let us eliminate the statement D. By eliminating D, you can eliminate option 4. That's why option 2, 3, 4 is eliminated by knowing of dehydration reaction. Means removing of water molecule. Here, according to given reaction, there is no possibility to remove water molecule. Statement 4 is not related to according to the given question. Of statement 4, you can easily eliminate option 2, 3, 4. We have only left with option 1, so our answer is A is our correct answer.